Namaste.
Welcome. Welcome to Today Also Cincai Cook. So what is today's special?
Today we cook Niku Shabu Shabu salad.
So the English it means the pork shabu shabu salad.
So what is Shabu Shabu meaning? Actually I thought Shabu Shabu is coming from using the meat into the water, so making this sound, Shabu Shabu sound, Shabu Shabu sound. I thought we coming from here, so I checked, but it's also coming from sound, but it's not. It's like from the washing sound. Japanese a lot of sounds words, but anyway, the Shabu Shabu is coming from the sound.
But in Malaysia we have a lot of shabu shabu shop, and almost everyone thinks shabu shabu is called or relates to steamboat. Okay, so it's very common that when you go to Japanese shabu shabu, you know that, or you assume it's a steamboat. So today we're going to use the pork slices or shabu shabu meat to make the salad, and we're going to use sesame for the dressing.
So this sesame dressing, we make our own sesame dressing. Really tasty, different from just the normal sesame dressing you buy. So it's good to know this recipe. You can use any salad or whatever.
Yes. Okay, so let's start.
Yes.
Itadakimasu. Let's try.
First. Oh, nice.
The salad is very crunchy, but the meat is still very sweet, juicy and tender.
It's quite different from like normal sesame dressing. Clearly the sesame, what to say, fragrant. And yeah, very nice.
And also because mixed with the seaweed, there's a pinch of saltiness, so it balances the taste quite well because of the mayonnaise is more sweet, but the seaweed gives a pinch of saltiness, giving it more flavor. Very nice. Oishi. Thank you for watching.
ありがとう。
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. 谢谢你。